Alright, so this is my hit and miss engine from sterlingkit.com, and I think I got it figured out. Watching a few videos online didn't really help. I wanted to know, and the instruction manual is kind of iffy. I guess that's the mixture screw right there, and it says screw it all the way in and then out 2 turns, and then for this here adjustment, 65 or 60 to 85% opening gap down there. So I started with 2 turns out on the mixture screw. That was too much, and I worked it into 1.5 and then finally 1, and I think that's where I need to be with it. So let me set this camera down here and we'll give this a try again. Alright, so it's running real nice. It's kind of fast right now. So that's a little better, and also I got this lever on the side to, I believe it's the slow. And boy, I'll tell you what, it really sucks up the oil in this one cup here. It really draws a lot of oil, so I got to keep my eye on this cup on the gearing side. But yeah, it's running real nice now. I'm really liking this engine. And now as far as the instructions go, it talks about this here wire being the ground wire on the coil. Well, it turns out I couldn't get the thing to spark if I had this connected. So this is really just a kill switch. I can touch it where it's supposed to connect, and that's my kill switch. So yeah, I had to troubleshoot this thing like crazy this morning just to get a spark to come out of the spark plug, and now I think I got it all figured out, and it runs really nice. So I'm very pleased with the HM-01 from sterlingkit.com, and I had, like I said, trouble with getting a spark on the spark plug, and I emailed Sterling Kit, and I think it was on Sunday, so it must have been Monday for them out there in China, because I got an email back right away from Mona, and she said send me a video, which I made a few videos, but as I was making the videos, it turns out that I figured out what was wrong with it. So everything's running good with it, and let me crank it up one last time now that I kind of throttled it down a little bit. Let me see what my settings had on the side. Yeah, it looks like about 50% on the opening on this knob here. Yeah, I think that'll work. So yeah, this is an awesome little engine, and it's beautifully made, and the instructions as far as putting it together are very clear. So I'm really happy with this. I'm not exactly sure how this lever works over here for the can't tell if that's changing the speed or not. I can see the balls moving a little closer together there. Maybe that's a little bit higher speed. closing the throttle just a little bit. Real sensitive. And this cup over here is already out of oil. So I really got to keep an eye on that side. And I'm out of oil on the piston already too. So yeah, got to keep your eye on this thing as it's running. All right, let's kill this here with the kill switch. All right. Well, I'm kind of glad that I got the settings adjusted so that I can crank it up each time. Like I said, the mixture needle is one turn out, so screwed all the way in and then just one turn out. And the throttle, let's see if you can see it here. That's about, oh, actually, that's closed off a little bit more than, so that only maybe 50%. So, yeah, this is my new HM-01, and now that I'm kind of got most of my airplane built, I get to play with other things here in the garage now that the airplane's out at the airstrip. So thanks for watching, and have fun with whatever you do.